Safety and cool. Sithi thina siyindoda enye podcast asidlulisa i-advice and inkuthazo ethi ma uthandaza yazi into engathandazeli. Ya differentiate, hlukanisa uba zikhona izinto ongamele uzithandazele nekumele uzithandazele. So sizama ukuthi ungablame futhi ungathathi kalula undikhoyo okanye umdali lo ongabonwa xa imithandazo lonto oyithandazelayo ingaphendulwa kanti ibingekho related nomdali. Sithi be careful and safety by now. Pray. So God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.